Preparing for exams can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve success. In this video, we'll share tips and tricks to help you prepare effectively and stay motivated throughout your exam preparation journey. Let's get started. First, let's talk about planning and organization. A well-structured study plan is crucial for exam success. Here are some steps to create one. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in each study session. Having specific goals helps you stay focused and measure your progress. Create a study schedule. Break down your study time into manageable chunks and allocate specific times for each subject. Use tools like calendars or planner apps to keep track of your schedule. Prioritize your tasks. Identify the most important and challenging topics and tackle them first. This ensures you give adequate time to areas that need more attention. Stay organized. Keep your study materials, notes, and resources in order. A clutter-free study environment can boost your productivity and concentration. Next, let's explore some effective study techniques. Active learning. Engage with the material actively by summarizing information in your own words, asking questions, and discussing topics with peers. Use study aids. Utilize flashcards, mind maps, and charts to visualize information. These tools can help reinforce your memory and understanding. Practice past papers. Working through past exam papers gives you a feel for the format and types of questions. It also helps identify areas where you need more practice. Teach what you learn. Explaining concepts to someone else is a powerful way to reinforce your understanding. Find a study buddy or teach imaginary students. Take breaks. Don't forget to take short breaks during study sessions. Breaks help rejuvenate your mind and prevent burnout. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for optimal exam performance. Here are some tips. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. A well-rested mind is more alert and capable of retaining information. Eat nutritious foods. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugary snacks. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts your energy levels and reduces stress. Incorporate activities like walking, jogging, or yoga into your routine. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can affect your concentration and cognitive function. Finally, let's talk about staying motivated and maintaining a positive mindset. Set milestones. Break your study goals into smaller milestones and celebrate your achievements. Rewarding yourself keeps you motivated. Visualize success. Picture yourself succeeding in your exams. Visualization can boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. Stay positive. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Believe in your abilities and focus on your strengths. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or teachers for support and encouragement. Having a strong support system can make a big difference. Exam preparation is a journey that requires dedication, organization, and a positive attitude. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can enhance your study experience and perform your best on exam day. Remember, success is within your reach. Stay motivated, stay focused, and believe in yourself. Good luck.